Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of GBP USD, British Pound, US Dollar. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my YouTube channel for regular market analysis. And do check out the Forex analysis playlist for the analysis of other currency pairs. So let's get started. So this is the chart of GBP USD, and as you can see, I am in the 4 hours time frame. So at first, let's do the analysis. So this is the chart of GBP USD. I have zoomed out and you can see that market is in uptrend and there is no doubt about it. Okay, and if you have watched my previous videos, then I always say that we should always follow the trend. We should always trade along with the trend. We should never go against the trend. So if we look at the market, then this market is in uptrend and there is no doubt about it. Okay, but we can see that market is in a range right now. Okay, overall the trend of the market is towards the upside. Market is an uptrend, market is bullish, there is no doubt about it. Okay, but right now we can see that market is in a range here. Okay, market is in a tight range. Whenever market is trying to go up, it is facing resistance at this particular level, 1.4245 level, and is coming down. And on the other hand, we have a good support level at this price level, 1.4100 level. We have a good support. And if you have watched my previous videos on GBP USD, then hopefully you have already initiated your buy position and you are in a good profit right now, because I have also done the same thing. I am in a position in GBP USD. I have bought GBP USD. So if you have watched my previous videos, then hopefully you're in a position right now and you're in a profit. Okay, so because see, this market is in uptrend. Okay, this market is an uptrend, therefore we should mainly look for buying opportunity. And right now market is in a range. Okay, so therefore in a range bound market, we know that we get opportunities to sell also and to buy also. We can short the market at the resistance and we can go for buy order or long at the support. And right now, okay, and right now we when we got GBP USD at this particular position, okay, then all the factors were so beautifully matched that see, market is an uptrend, it came to the support, and stochastic RSI was also in the oversold zone. So therefore all the factors were lined up. Plus, wait, this page is okay. This is the currency pair, currency strength meter, and you can see that currency strength meter is also telling us the same story. GBP USD is the strongest. Okay, today GBP USD is strongest among them. Okay, so considering all these factors, GBP USD was in a very sweet spot. Okay, and yes, it was definitely a buy call. So if you are in a buy position right now, enjoy the profit. Okay, and if you are looking for a fresh opportunity, then I'll say that yes, you can go for a fresh opportunity or fresh buy order, but keep in mind that see, it has already gone up by one. Right now it is trading at 1.4137. Okay, this is the current market price. So if you need to start a fresh position here, then your stop loss will be around below these candles. Okay, around this point. So your stop loss will be around 40 to 45 pips below. So if you can afford to take a risk of 40 to 45 pips, then you can go for a buy order right now. But if you do not want to take a risk of 40 to 45 pips, then you can just avoid the market. You can wait for the market to come down to the support zone again, so that you can go for a buy order. Okay, and I would like to mention one more thing here, and it is, if you are planning to take a buy position right now, okay, then be very careful. Okay, be very careful, because you must follow risk management. Okay, you must follow risk management, as your stop loss is a big one, as your stop loss is a stop loss of 40 to 45 pips. Therefore you need to reduce your position size, and keep in mind, never risk more than 2% of your trading capital. Okay, if you want to take a buy order, okay, right now if you have missed the opportunity, then Reduce the position size, but do not risk more than 2% of your trading capital. Okay, today is Friday, so not much opportunity here. I won't say that when market will go up you can reverse the market here, because see right now market is trading here, because there is very less chance that market will be go up to this particular level today and we will get the chance to reverse. Okay, so I will not discuss about this resistance level and how you should trade here today. Okay, so only position or only price level that we need to keep our eyes on is this. Okay, if you are in a profit, enjoy the profit. If you want to start a fresh position, I have already discussed what you need to do. Okay, so nothing much in GBP USD chart for today. So this is it. Hopefully you have understood. If you have liked the video and found the video informative, give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. Thank you so much. All the best. Take care.